So good.
Ooh, it's cold outside, and we were on the hunt for a matzo ball soup and some comforting sandwiches. Normally, we would go to Manny's, but that's a bit far from our neck of the woods. So we decided to try the new kid in town. Mensch's concept is meant to be a love letter to the Jewish deli, and we really hope the increasingly trendy shop had what it takes to satisfy our cravings.
I got the Big Mocker, which is a combination of corned beef and pastrami, but I mainly got it because it had coleslaw and Thousand Island dressing, which I thought would go really nice for that combo. And then I got matzo ball soup with noodles in it. Like, I've never had it with noodles, so this is going to be new to me. All right, corned beef and pastrami on rye. Let's go. So good. The corned beef and pastrami are really soft, so when you bite into it, there's like no chew. It's just so good.
What did you get with noodles?
I don't know. I just to try something different.
I don't think I've ever had it with noodles.
No, neither have I. So it's like it was on the menu when you tried it. Oh, it's good. Pickle's nice and crunchy. Skin is a little tough, but it's not like too vinegary or anything like that, so it's very good. I like pickles.
So I got the turkey club with challah bread and matzo ball soup, because why not?
Yeah, exactly. Oh wow, it's like that turkey. Look at that.
Yeah, it's really juicy and the bread is nice and sweet. I like it. Yeah, I'm very picky about my matzo ball soup, so. I don't think we liked it at all.
Yeah.
Sure. Take a bite.
That's very good. It's very chocolatey. Yeah, it's slightly dry, but overall has a really good flavor. I really enjoy it. That would go really well with like cocoa or coffee.
All right, so we just finished having lunch at Mensch's, and it was really good. It's been a while since Marie and I have been out to lunch by ourselves. So Nico's in daycare right now, and he's having fun. So we went and had fun. And so Mensch's was really good. I really like their pastrami and corned beef sandwich, the mocker, the big mocker, what they call it. And it was really good because so sometimes you do have to kind of like chew a lot, but this one it was just take a bite and that's it, and it was really good. And I'm glad they did the coleslaw with the Thousand Island because it adds a bit of I guess I don't want to say acidity, but a little bit more flavor to it, right? So that was really good. Bread was great. The soup, I liked it with the noodles. I don't know if I'd get it again, but I liked it with the noodles. I'll probably just go with the more traditional matzo ball soup. And yeah, everything was great.
I like the price.
Yeah, I don't know if that was like a lunch special, but in the menu it was half sandwich and a cup of soup for starts at $12.99 for sandwiches that don't have like corned beef or Reuben, right? So can't really go wrong. It wasn't too packed. There was seating, so if you decide to go, you can go at around lunchtime, which is the time that we went, and have a nice meal. Well, guys, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye. If you're on the hunt for other Chicago food treasures, let us know in the comments down below. Take care, everybody.